Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So today is another upgrade, or maybe not, I don't know, whatever you guys think, to the Pioneer. So if you watched my previous videos, you saw that I did put truck tires, light duty truck tires on my Pioneer. I put a 235/75/15 on a 5+2 15-inch rim, which means it has 5 inches of back spacing, 2 inches out. So I can go ahead and rotate all the tires. Now, when I did that, I ordered 5 rims and 4 tires, just because that's what my budget allowed at the time. And I went back to order my 5th tire, and the price had gone up 50 bucks. Now I'm getting these tires for around $81 to $83 a piece on Amazon. Make sure you guys do Google searches whenever you put a tire, whatnot, on there. I actually just got another set of rims for this thing. Super cheap from Amazon. They're about $33 a rim. Basically, different brand, but it was the same size, same everything. So, you're putting rims and tires on, look for everything. If I were to do this today, I could put rims and tires on this for $500. After I did Mountain Balance, I think I have around $700 to $750 in the other 4 rims and tires. So why am I putting a full-size spare, or why am I going to carry a full-size spare with me? Well, let me show you first what I ordered. So as you can see, I have the rim there, brand new in the box, and the tire. And it is a different tire because these tires here, Amazon raised the price 50 bucks on for some reason. And I don't care. I actually think I like this Mud Train a little bit better because it's got bigger voids. It looks just a little bit more aggressive. And I prefer the same tire because tire manufacturers are always a little bit different on size, but this is a spare. I would love to be able to rotate it in, but it's just not going to happen. So for those of you wondering, you can get these tires for like 330 bucks a set from Amazon with free shipping. So, you know, it's a plug for them. I buy a lot of stuff from them, but I buy it from whoever's cheapest, and it usually comes down to the shipping. The reason I am getting a full-size spare is this. So here is my current spare tire. First of all, it's a rear tire, which doesn't really matter because you can get the rear tire on the front. It's really tight, but you can do it. And don't forget, I am running wheel spacers, so if I had to, I could take a wheel spacer off and stick on the front. But the main reason is, let's roll over, is this, that couple inches of difference there. Now that's not a big deal if I put this tire on the front and I'm only running rear wheel drive or one wheel drive. But if you are putting this on the back, you really gotta watch out for the size difference because it's such a significant difference. So you wanna keep it in turf mode the whole time. So I would always stick this tire on the front. And to be honest, I don't think these truck tires are really gonna have issues with flats. These tires have about 800 plus miles on them, 800, 830 miles. And to be honest, 600 to 650 of them are probably blacktop. It's probably 100 to 150 miles off-road. And my trip this weekend with a group of people I'm going out to, we're supposed to go out to some old mine roads. We'll see if we end up there or not. There's a lot of sharp rocks and whatnot. And the big reason I'm getting the spare tire, a full-size spare, is sidewalls. My concern is getting a pinch flat running down a little bit lower, or having a sharp rock or something put a hole in the sidewall to where I can't fix it with my patch kit. So having a full-size spare, I can just throw it on and we'll go from there. So why don't you go ahead, let's get this stuff loaded up, and I'm gonna go get it mounted. The great thing with living where I live out here in Arizona, these things are street legal. And then we have our family-owned automotive shop just up the road from my neighborhood. So we're gonna get this mounted and balanced. 20-minute drive and we're here. Well, and there you go. I got the spare. I picked it up. I had to leave it at the shop for a couple hours as I didn't have an appointment and they couldn't fit me in. But the great thing is they did it at no cost for me. It's a small family-owned shop. They have 3 or 4 locations locally. Real nice people. I've used them before, so I can't complain about that. Do I really need a spare? Probably not. But I like to have one. The factory spare was getting me by. I went ahead, I got a full-size spare, and more or less so I don't ruin a trip. Yes, you can run the stock spare, but at about 2 inches difference in height, I don't want to screw up a differential. I definitely would have had to put it on the fronts instead of the rear in case I need to lock up that rear diff. But other than that, it's just nice to have. No, I will not carry it with me. Like this weekend's ride, we're going out to some mine roads. Yeah, absolutely, I'm going to throw it in the back of the buggy. Those are the types of trips that my kids don't like to go on because they're too bumpy. Even when I do put new shocks on it, they just don't like super long trips. It's probably going to be a 4 or 5 hour trip. So that's fine, I'll throw it in the back. But when we go camping through the woods or if I'm going to the dunes, you always keep a spare tire at the camper. You don't need the extra weight by any means. And I never go far enough out in the woods that there's something I can't fix with the patch kits. And if it's really bad, I'll send a buddy back to go get my spare. Or these truck tires are rugged enough, I'll just drive real slow. And if you ruin it, you ruin it, you know? But let me know, what do you guys do? I've got friends that never carry a spare, that won't carry a spare, that don't even own a spare. I like to keep one on the trailer. So let me know below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.